In this video, I will show you how to fix game crash after latest update of FC25, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. First, restart the game and device again with a simple restart of the game, and if it doesn't work, restart your device to clear temporary issues that may be causing crashes. Update drivers. And always check if there are updates available for your graphics driver and operating system. Outdated drivers are a common cause of crashes. After game update, verify game file. For PC players, use the game platform verification features like Steam Verify integrity of game files to ensure no files are missing or corrupted. After the update, clear cache on mobile or console. Clear the game cache in the setting on your PC. You may need to clear temporarily file. This helps to remove any corrupted cache data from the updated. Adjust graphics settings. Open the game settings and lower the graphics quality temporarily as some updates increase the system requirements unexpectedly. Check for hotfixes. Game developers often release hotfixes after major updates. Look for any patches or updates for FC25 that may address recent crashing issues. Reinstall the game. If nothing else works, consider reinstalling the game. This ensures you have clean copy of the file, and that's it.